Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic coin LUNC. Now, Terra Classic in the past 6 months have lost about $1.3 billion. Terra Classic, as of earlier last year, was trading between $240 and $300 million market cap before there was a pump into Terra Classic when they started burning and also start talking about the 1.2% tax bond. People really pumping point that pushed Terra Classic to become to hit about $2 billion market cap, bringing Terra Classic among the top 30 to 40 crypto coins with the highest market cap before the market cap started dropping. Since then, the Terra Classic was able to hit over $2 billion. Today, Terra Classic market cap is trading at $719 million. Terra Classic have lost about $1.3 billion since then. This is a lot of money because it wasn't easy to get this such high market cap, but losing $1.3 billion in the past 6 or 7 months, I think this is much, but I believe it is not yet over. We are all in for Terra Classic. Binance are all in for Terra Classic. So many exchanges are all in. This coin, they believe, is going to recover. It's going to create a lot of people. It's going to put smiles on those that really lost a lot last year on Terra Classic coin. The major point here is we want this coin to hit 1 cent. This is why they are pushing this coin. This is why they are promoting. This is why Binance is also trying to push Terra Classic, because if Binance itself lost a lot of money. It lost over $1.6 billion on Terra Classic. So you ask yourself, losing such amount of money, what do you expect from CZ? I think the best thing is to push this coin to go back to hit 1 cent, because $100 right now will give you $10,000 if this coin return to 1 cent. So imagine investing $1 million or $10 million. Definitely CZ is going to recover a lot. Not just CZ, a lot of people that lost a lot of money on Terra Classic will also be recovering a lot of their loss. That is why we all keep pushing this coin. I believe that this is one of the coins you need to add to the list of the coins you have. Terra Classic should be one of them. Even if you don't want to invest, just invest what you can afford to lose. Imagine $100 giving you $10,000, and imagine $10 giving you $1,000 if this coin hit 1 cent. And what's the percentage of hitting 1 cent? 80%. Right now we are at 0.0001. Now today just increased to 0.002. Now I believe this coin definitely is going to delete 2 zeros very soon, and by the time when that happens, your money will be giving you over 10,000% of whatever you invested. But please remember to invest what you can afford to lose. Let's hope that Terra Classic will definitely put smiles on our face. $1.3 billion is not a little money. $1.3 billion is a lot of money. So I hope very soon this coin is going to hit back as that market cap and also go higher, even hit over $5 billion market cap or $10 billion market cap before the end of this year, 2023. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.